Hey guys, today we're here installing a wireless backup camera on this 2006 E55 AMG. This is our master technician right here.
What's up, guys?
Now show us what you got.
We're going to install a rear view camera on the E55. Here's a camera, here's the Wi-Fi transponder. I'll put the links in below. Let me get some tools. What you do is take out the license plate light over here, and this is going to go right into there. I believe you can still use the light too. If you want to put back the light, you can use the light too. So I'm just going to start taking off this back panel to get some more access.
All right, now we got that cover off. Now you got to go for the insides over there.
We got that little light. Just gotta push these out like that. Just gotta fold them in and push them out. The handles from the inside. This is the emergency release. Okay. Now that's out of the way, we have some more access to work. Some tourists in the car.
The rear trunk panel cover is removed. All right, we're still here trying to run the wires through, trying to fish it through from the light bulb area to the trunk.
I gotta make it right here, the hole.
So he's making a hole with the drill. Should be done any minute with that. All right, so we got the red and the yellow wire through. Fished it through here, just like this. And then make a little hole over there. Those scratches, we'll just touch that up. And once that's all said and done, the camera's gonna go on there like that. So let's start working on running the wires.
All right, so what we did is made a hole in here in the original light spot, and in the camera, the bulb goes in. It replaces the same way as the original light. It replaces it in, and it just goes back in the same way. No difference. And the light also works now.
And once you turn on the lights, the license plate light works as well.
All right, next step. Give it a touch up here. Perfectionist. Put the original screws back in. Mount up perfect.
Now that we have the camera mounted over here with the two screws, this is the wire. Now this is the transponder. We got to get a power line to it, so he wants to hook it up to a 12 volt charger right there. So whenever the car's on, it has power. Whenever the car's off, the power's dead. These are the two wires. We gotta get connected. I'm gonna see right now how that's gonna work out to the single wire charger.
Right here, we're gonna power and ground.
There's the power on the ground. We gotta get this connected to that. Probably gonna run the wire through here, right through this plastic cover, right to there. I'm gonna test the wires, figure out which one's power.
So black is power, and the black is ground.
Black is power.
Yeah.
The brown is ground.
Now this tester, you can test both. If you hook this up to power, you can test the ground, but we know the black is power anyhow. That's power. Black is power. No problem. Perfect. Right down here, I taped up the video's power and just running the wire down this original harness here and zip tying it. All the green zip ties is what I zip tied. Zip tying it down. Then we're going to connect the power right here to the 12-volt power right here.
Just to test out the system, we put a power pack on there. We're gonna see how it works now before we tighten everything up. So he's going on the app on his phone. It's wireless.
So you got to get onto the Wi-Fi from of the transponder, which is Wi-Fi AV. There we go.
Oh,
So I'm going to test it out, see if I get power. The Wi-Fi reaches in the car. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got power in the car.
So if you take a look right there.
Nice. Okay.
Now we're just gonna plumb everything up over there, connect the wires, and clean everything back up. So all we did, just extend this wire just a little bit longer. Now we're gonna connect it to the power and to the ground.
So what I'm using these things. I mean, I really don't recommend them, but I'm going to use them for now. But as long as you use them on inside, it's okay. When you use them outside, they're not great to use on the outside. They're not great to use inside. So all you got to do is push them down into the teeth over here, and it bites in. So we're using power and power. Really, you don't need no end on this. You can cut it off. Don't need an end left over. So all you gotta do is push them together and lock it in. Hold that for me. These things are horrible. There you go. Okay. Gotta get a plier. What it does is it bites into the other wire, the two wires together. Like I said, I rather solder stuff, but and these I think I had used them before, so something might be going on with them. I have them all out. Okay, I guess it'll do for now. Gotta do the same thing on the other side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape it up all together when I'm done. What you really got to do is, actually, it was my mistake, you got to push down on this metal here first, and then clip it in. Once you push down on that metal like that, it ain't going nowhere. Then clip it in. Then clip it in like that. Maybe let's see if this one, check this one too. Yeah, you see this one didn't bite in. This is the right way of doing it, actually. That's the right way of doing it. Just like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this all together anyhow.
Finally got that all plugged in, all set up together, taped it up, put that connector back in, run the wires back in there.
That goes back in there. Down there.
Just gotta put all the covers back on, all the trunk covers, plug in the light.
Matter of fact, let's test it now with the car on.
So we're gonna give it a test run. There. All right, so just put everything back together, put all the covers back on, put all the screws back in, all the clips. Now time to clean up the tools and give it another test run.
So final test run, perfect, here we go. It's on your phone, so as soon as you want to just go in reverse, just hit the app, turns right on, boom. Go reverse, we got the lines and all. I don't know if you guys could see this here. Pretty neat, simple to do. Took all in all about an hour and a half, no big deal. All right guys, have a good time.